Explain the importance of regression algorithms in predictive modeling. Regression algorithms are vital in predictive modeling due to their ability to quantify relationships between variables and make predictions based on these relationships. Here's why they are essential. 1. Relationship quantification. Regression algorithms analyze how a dependent variable changes with one or more independent variables. By establishing this relationship, they allow for the interpretation of how changes in predictors impact the outcome. 2. Prediction. Once the relationship is established, regression models can predict future values of the dependent variable based on new or unseen data. This predictive capability is crucial in fields like finance, predicting stock prices, healthcare, forecasting patient outcomes, and marketing, estimating sales. 3. Simplicity and interpretability. Linear regression, for example, provides a straightforward and interpretable model where the coefficients directly indicate the effect of each predictor. This simplicity makes it easier for stakeholders to understand and trust the model's predictions. 4. Foundation for advanced techniques. Many complex models, such as polynomial regression, logistic regression, and even neural networks, build upon the principles of basic regression. Understanding regression is fundamental for grasping more advanced machine learning techniques. 5. Versatility. Regression algorithms can handle a wide range of data types and structures, making them versatile tools in the data scientist's toolkit. They can be adapted for time series forecasting, survival analysis, and more. Impact on predictive modeling. Regression algorithms provide a systematic approach to model and predict outcomes, offering both accuracy and interpretability. Their ability to handle various data complexities and deliver actionable insights makes them indispensable in predictive analytics and decision-making processes across industries. Describe the method of ordinary least squares, OLS, and its role in finding the best fitting line in linear regression. The method of ordinary least squares, OLS, is a key technique in linear regression for finding the best fitting line through a set of data points. The primary aim of OLS is to minimize the differences between the observed values and the values predicted by the linear model. Method of ordinary least squares, OLS. 1. Model representation. Linear regression models the relationship between a dependent variable and one or more independent variables. The model attempts to predict the dependent variable based on the values of the independent variables. 2. Objective. The objective of OLS is to find the line that minimizes the sum of the squared differences between the observed values and the predicted values. These differences are known as residuals. 3. Calculation. OLS calculates the best fitting line by adjusting the model parameters, coefficients, to minimize the sum of the squared residuals. This involves solving a set of linear equations to find the optimal values of these parameters. Role in finding the best fitting line, minimizing error. By minimizing the sum of the squared residuals, OLS ensures that the predicted values are as close as possible to the actual observed values. This results in the best fitting line that represents the data accurately. Interpretability. The parameters obtained from OLS provide insights into the relationship between the independent and dependent variables. Each parameter indicates how much the dependent variable is expected to change when the corresponding independent variable changes. Efficiency. OLS is computationally efficient and provides a unique solution for the model parameters, making it a widely used method in linear regression. Impact. OLS is crucial for creating accurate and reliable linear models. It allows data scientists and statisticians to make informed predictions and understand the underlying relationships in their data, thereby facilitating better decision-making in various applications. What is the significance of the residual sum of squares, RSS, in linear regression? The residual sum of squares, RSS, is a crucial metric in linear regression that quantifies the difference between the observed data points and the predicted values generated by the regression model. Essentially, it measures the extent to which the model fails to capture the actual data patterns. The RSS is computed by summing the squared differences between the observed values and the values predicted by the regression model. This summation helps in understanding how well the model's predictions align with the actual data. A lower RSS value indicates that the model's predictions are close to the observed data points, signifying a better fit. Conversely, a higher RSS value suggests that the model's predictions are far from the actual data, indicating a poor fit. The significance of RSS extends beyond just measuring model accuracy. It plays a pivotal role in model selection and comparison. When comparing multiple regression models, the model with the lowest RSS is generally preferred, as it indicates the best fit to the data. Furthermore, RSS is fundamental in calculating other key statistics, such as the R-squared value, which provides a normalized measure of how well the model explains the variability of the dependent variable. In summary, RSS is a vital tool in evaluating and improving regression models. By providing a clear measure of prediction accuracy, it helps in refining models to better capture the underlying relationships within the data, thereby enhancing their predictive power and reliability. Explain how linear regression can be used for both prediction and inference. Linear regression is a versatile tool used for both prediction and inference, serving distinct yet complementary roles in data analysis. Prediction purpose. The primary purpose of using linear regression for prediction is to estimate the value of the dependent variable based on the values of one or more independent variables. How it works: a linear model is trained using historical data, capturing the relationship between the independent predictor variables and the dependent target variable. Once the model is established, it can be used to predict outcomes for new, unseen data. For instance, in real estate, linear regression might predict house prices based on features like size, location, and number of bedrooms. Benefit: prediction with linear regression provides actionable insights, enabling forecasting and decision-making across various domains such as finance, marketing, and healthcare. Inference purpose. Inference in linear regression aims to understand the underlying relationships and the significance of each predictor variable in explaining the dependent variable. How it works: by examining the coefficients of the model, we can infer the strength and direction of the relationship between predictors and the outcome. Hypothesis testing and confidence intervals help determine the statistical significance and reliability of these relationships. For example, in healthcare, linear regression can infer the impact of lifestyle factors on blood pressure, helping identify which factors are significant predictors. Benefit: inference provides deeper insights into the data, allowing researchers and analysts to draw conclusions about cause and effect, test hypotheses, and make informed decisions based on the data. Linear regression's ability to provide accurate predictions and facilitate meaningful inferences makes it a powerful tool in both applied and theoretical contexts. By leveraging both aspects, analysts can not only forecast future outcomes but also gain a thorough understanding of the relationships within their data.